Open-TeleVision is a revolutionary teleoperation interface that lets you control robots from anywhere, even 3,000 miles away. Open-TeleVision offers real-time stereo video streaming for accurate spatial understanding, enabling precise manipulation of challenging objects like transparent boxes. With an active neck, inverse kinematics, and retargeting, the system ensures intuitive perception and actuation. Simply look at points of interest and the robot follows your head movements. Best of all, it's open-sourced and accessible from any device with a web browser. Vision Pro, Quest, Mac, iPad, iPhone, and more. Subscribe to Exponential Africa for more.